Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we will troubleshoot the issue this application can't run on your Windows. Okay, so how to troubleshoot this issue? First you need to make sure that your the software which you are running is compatible on your Windows and for your Windows. Okay, so how to check that? Right click on any software which you are running and go to its properties. Okay, after that go to the compatibility tab here and tick this option. Okay, run this program in compatibility mode 4 and click on here and drop down menu select Windows 8 if you are using Windows 10 and above version, and you can try both Windows 7 and 8, and in which after that click on apply, then click on OK and check if your issue is solved or not. If still not solved, we can go to the second method. Okay, in the second method go to search bar. You need to type as a user control. Okay, once you type here you need to choose this option change user account control setting, and you need to drag it to down here like this and click on apply and check if your issue is solved or not. Okay, I'm pressing cancel here, but you need to make sure you drop it down and select OK. If still not solved, we can move to the third method. In the third method, sometimes Windows Defender blocks the these type of application and other application as well, normal applications. So we can disable that for some time. So go to Windows Defender, type for Windows, okay, and click on Windows Security option. Once you click on that, click on app and browser control. Okay, click on this option and make sure you turn off this option. Okay, if you are getting it blur like me, so don't do anything, but if you are getting the option to turn it off or on, you need to make sure turn it off. Okay, and one thing you can also do, you can scan your device. Okay, you can scan your device, quick scan sometime if there is any malware or the virus, so you get also this issue as well. So click on quick scan, and if still not solved, we can go to the next method. In the next method go to CMD. I have right click on that, run it as administrator, click on yes button when the prompt opens, and now you need to type here the command sfc space slash scan now. Okay, sfc stands for system file checker, which scans all the corruption inside your Windows and repairs automatically. Okay, make sure it will reach 200%, and after that you need to restart your system and check if your issue is solved or not. If not, we can proceed with the other command. Okay, this is the command. This will repair bad sectors and all the corruption inside your hard drive or SSD. The command is chk space slash f space slash r. Okay, and hit enter. R will repair bad sectors and F will repair the corruption. You need to press here Y. Once you click on Y option, you need to restart your system, and this will take 2 to 3 hours, but this is very powerful command. You can try this. Okay, so hope your issue is fixed now. If your issue is fixed, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.